Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wisconsin Greg Show. It's the 4th of July weekend here in the United States, and I just wanted to share a little experience that I had happen to me tonight. I was at the township fireworks, the Delavan Township fireworks tonight, and right before the fireworks, a little child became missing. The mother finally went to the band, and the band stopped playing and announced it to everybody, and they kind of hollered over the speakers hoping he would hear and come up to the stage, but nothing happened. It was like 20 minutes, and but eventually he was found, so that was good news. But I just wanted to make this a little reminder to parents to really keep an eye on your children. There's some very nut cases out there, and you just can't be too safe nowadays. Sometimes parents can become a little lax, and this doesn't only go for parents, it goes for like grandparents or babysitters, anybody who's watching children, because things go good every day. They go good and good and good, and you just don't expect nothing to happen, and then it could all of a sudden happen. People always say, oh, it'll never happen in a little town. Well, it does happen. So I just wanted to make this video. It's like we have at work, we have safety videos all the time. They become a little tiresome, but I know down deep that they do make us think about safety. And hopefully this video will make you kind of pay a little bit more attention to your children during this holiday weekend. Just wanted to make this so hopefully it'll make a difference and maybe could possibly save one child. Just all you got to do is pay a little bit more attention and keep your eye on them. They're depending on you. They're just kids. They don't know no better. So hopefully we can make a difference. So spread this video if you like, and I'll go right to where the police showed up here and kind of give you a little walkthrough of what happened here. So we'll go on from there. So anyway, as you can see here, the police are here. Everyone did a great job. The police were here. The fire department was out walking around. The EMTs were walking around. People in the crowd were all looking for them. The band totally quit. The band got the mother up on stage and announced it to everybody and described them and told everybody his name. And here's the lake. You could see lots of kids playing near the lake. Anything could have happened. Just, you got to be so careful nowadays with people. There's just a lot of weird people out there. You just can't trust no one. So anyways, this is pretty much the place, and it was, I don't know how long it was before they announced it to the band, but it was probably another 20 minutes before they located him. I'm not sure where they located him or anything. He was probably out playing somewhere, but as you can see, there's all around the edges, there's trees and stuff where he could have wandered off into. Anything could have happened. Here you can see people, paramedics or fire department walking around the crowd looking, yellow vests all over the place. They all did a great job. The band did a great job. The people in the crowd, everybody did a great job trying to locate this little boy and come to a happy ending. They found him, so that was a good thing. So I just wanted to make this video so everyone can be a little more vigilant. Hopefully it make a little bit of a difference. Well, I hope you like this video, and if you want to finish watching the rest of the fireworks that I seen tonight at the Delavan Township Park, I finished watching them here, and I hope you enjoy them. If you don't want to watch them, that's fine too. But it could have been better if I would have had my external mic on with me, but I wasn't really planning on making this video. But have a great day, everyone, and I appreciate watching this video, and hopefully we can keep a child safe. Goodbye now. Have a fun and safe week, and enjoy the rest of the fireworks.